it's Miss Saldana here, and I want to talk to you about plane shapes, or also known as 2D shapes. Now, the cool thing about these shapes are that they're flat, and your solid shapes, so that's your 3D shapes, are made up of your plane shapes. Look at this. You have a square, but this is a 3D shape, so it's solid. A 2D shape right here. Same with this one. You have a circle, a rectangle, the triangle, and I just brought another square. All right, so let's go ahead and let's learn about these. So, first we want to identify the different shapes. Now, right here I have an anchor chart that I made real quickly just so you could see it. So let's go ahead and let's look. So we have this first shape. I bet you could guess it. It's called the square. Our second shape is going to be the triangle. Our third shape will be the circle. And a rectangle. And then we also have the rhombus. An oval. And a hexagon. Now, all of these shapes are special. They have different things that are special about them. And they all can be found in our everyday life. Shapes are everywhere, guys, and that's why I love shapes. So let's look at the square first. Now, a square is also called a special rectangle, and here's why it's special. Each of its sides are the exact same length. Now, you're probably asking, what is a side, Miss Saldana? Well, here's how I'm going to show you. Let me go ahead. I'm going to use a different marker so that we can see the difference. I'm going to use a red marker. So if we go here, the sides are going to be these straight lines. So I'm going to go ahead and say side. Now, with this rectangle, there's more than just one side, right? Hold on, let me double check. Let's count them. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh my goodness, there's 4 sides. So let's go ahead and write that down. 4 sides. Now, here's the other thing that's special about squares. They also have something called vertices. Now, you're probably looking at this video like, what is a vertice, Miss Saldana? I'm going to show you. Let me go ahead and choose another color. Now, vertice is where those 2 straight lines go ahead and they go, all right, we're friends now. So it kind of looks like a corner of your room. And that's exactly what it is. It's a corner. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to put little purple dots on all of my vertices for this square. And then I'm able to count them. So let's count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4. Wow. Guys, this square has 4 sides and 4 vertices. 4 sides, 4 vertices. Isn't that crazy? They have the same on both. And then it's special because all 4 sides are the exact same length. Well, let's keep looking. I bet we can find something special about that triangle too. Are you ready? All right. So let's see, how many sides does this triangle have? Let's go ahead and count them. 1, 2, 3. This triangle has 3 sides. 3 sides. Now I wonder, how many vertices does it have? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3. 3 vertices. Guys, I think I'm starting to see a pattern. Let's keep going. Let's look at this hexagon next. It has a lot of sides, doesn't it? Are you ready? I don't know. Let's try. 1. Oop, that was a mess up. See, teachers mess up too. Let's go. 1, 2. I don't think I have everybody counting with me. Let's try again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Guys, this hexagon has 6 sides. Wow, that's a lot of sides. Let's go ahead and write 6 sides. Now I wonder how many vertices this has. Let's go ahead and count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Wow, it has 6 vertices too. So this one also has 6 sides and 6 vertices. 6 vertices. Now I wonder, let's look at that circle. Let's look at it. Does this circle have any straight lines? Oh, I didn't spell circle right. Let's try that again. Okay, sorry about that, guys. Now, does this circle have any straight lines at all? Think about it. No, it doesn't. So can it have sides or vertices? Can it? No, you're right, it can't. Let's go ahead and write that down. So since this circle doesn't have any sides, because it doesn't have any straight lines, it has 0 sides and 0 vertices. Isn't that crazy? I can't believe it. Now, I'm not going to count the sides and the vertices of the other shapes because I know you guys can do it on your own. You don't need me for that. But let's go ahead and talk about one more shape. We're not going to count the sides or vertices, and here's why. Let's go ahead and look at this rhombus. Now, there's something very special about this rhombus that makes it different than the triangle and the square. Now, it still has 4 sides, just like both, but this one's sides are just like a square's. They all have the same length. They're just kind of tilted. And a rectangle has 4 sides, but 2 of the sides are longer than the other 2. So it has 2 long sides and 2 short sides. Can you believe all that we just learned? So we learned that some shapes have sides and vertices and some do not. Well, guess what, guys? You just learned how to identify and determine the properties of a shape. Great job! I'm so proud of you. Go ahead and begin on your lesson, and I can't wait to see all the wonderful answers that I get and see how much you guys understood and understand shapes, 2D shapes and plane shapes already. Great job!